Right, so I will be quick in this video and I will show you how I make my thumbnails on my videos with Canva for free and really quick. Let's go to Canva. This is Canva, www.canva.com, and you can use it for free. I'm a pro member, but you can use it for free as well. So how do you create a thumbnail in Canva? We go over here on the right side where it says create a design and we click on it, and then you select YouTube thumbnail. Be careful to select the right size, which is 1280 times 720 pixel. This is the right size for a YouTube thumbnail. As you can see here, is a blank canvas. You can start from the beginning, but because my time is limited, I'm never starting from the beginning. So what I do, I go over here to the left side, and I pick a template and I customize it. So let's say that I like this one. Okay, so I want to change a couple of things over here. What I'll do, I click on the picture and I will delete it because I want to add my own picture. Then I go to the left over here, uploads, and I want to upload my own picture, which is, let's say that I want to upload this one. Okay, as you see, I do have a background on the picture and I want to remove the background really quick. So what I do, I go to edit image. Come on. And then background remover, click on it, and then in seconds it removed my background. I can make the image larger, or if I want I can make it smaller as well. So I leave it to the side for now, and I want to change let's say the background color. So I click on the background and then I go here, background color. I'm usually choosing these gradients, not a simple color. So let's say that I like the orange one, so I will like this one. It looks perfect. Okay, and now let's say that this is our title, or maybe let's say how to start an YouTube channel. Let's say that this is our title. I do not like the letters, so I want to change it. So I highlight the letter style. I go over here and I would like this one. Let's say, no, I don't like it. I like maybe handwriting. Yes, I think handwriting is better, and I think it's too big, so I'm gonna make it smaller. I'll change it again because I don't understand the highlighting, the handwriting, and then I'm gonna make it like this. How to start a YouTube channel. So as you see, the letters are white, so I'm gonna go to the effects and I'm gonna add a background to my letter because I want it to stand out, and then I'm gonna decrease the roundness. You see what this button does? I want it around there, smaller, and transparency. Perfect. You can also take this out and put a YouTube logo. So to get a logo, you go to the elements and then search YouTube, and you go to graphics, and then you search and you add whichever logo would you prefer. When you see the small pro icon, that means that is an icon for pro users, but if you don't see any icon, then it's free to use. So let's say that I like this one. Okay, there you go. And now I want to change color on this one and to make it red to match, and then this one red as well. Okay, perfect, perfect. And now a little bit smaller. Great. And I want to turn this one this way and make it a bit slow, a bit smaller. My picture, make it bigger, even bigger. Great. Move a little bit to the left. Great. And I think that my thumbnail is perfect. So now I want to save that thumbnail. The name of the thumbnail is Start a YouTube Channel. So to save it, I go to Share button, press Download. We leave everything as it is. We make sure that the size over here is correct, and then hit Download. And in a couple of seconds, your thumbnail is downloaded to YouTube. Start a new YouTube channel, open file, and this is my thumbnail. I think it looks great, by the way. And that's it. It only took me 7 minutes to make a thumbnail. It might not be perfect, but don't forget that I am a new YouTuber, so I don't really care about my thumbnail. The thing that I care most is the content of my video. If my video is boring, my thumbnail wouldn't matter so much. If you are a new YouTuber, just start small. Do not overcomplicate things. Do not think over things. Just start. And if you want to know how to start, just go to the next video and see. It's the simplest way. See ya. Bye.